And the 1-1 runner takes off for second. Pitch misses outside. Ramirez throws down to second. The runner takes off for home.
Error on familiar runner in motion. 1-0 misses inside. Throw down to second. And they got him. Tag applied by Luis Santos. People's aiming to bear down here. 1-2. Ramirez lashed it on a line past the diving shortstop Williams into the alley. It's going to roll the wall. Cowell's flying around third base, loses the helmet. In to score all the way from first as Agustin Ramirez. The Devils machine continues. Some time in the fifth inning. Has to get him here. Runner in motion, first pitch, cut on a miss, throw down to second base, a bit high, but he overslides the base. And
Dolly's set, and the pitch. Hard hit ball left side of the infield and through past Williams and into left field for a base hit. So Agustin Ramirez with a 2-out single through the left side of the infield, advancing Jones to second base.